See, you have to be a little bit serious. Otherwise, you will not understand what is going on in the class. I request all of you to be serious. It's not so easy. And we are going to come. Okay, I will read. A company offers. Huh?
No, sir, I was about to read.
You can read.
Yes, sir. A company offers a fixed deposit scheme whereby rupees 10,000 matured into rupees 12,625 after 2 years on a half-yearly compounding basis. If the company wishes to amend the scheme by compounding interest every quarter, what will be the revised maturity value?
Okay. And you can see the formula given.
Yes, sir.
P1 plus R, NK is equal to A. The A is maturity. So idea of doing, I'll just give the heading of the problem, compound interest rate calculation and revised maturity value. The revised maturity value, we call it as A. We call it as A. One minute. Yeah, we call it as A. So the formula is P1 plus R. Okay, power of NK is equal to A. So A is considered to be the maturity value. So now if you see the division of this, I'll just put it here. P is equal to principal amount. Principal amount. So if you see the principal amount, it is 10,000. R is equal to rate of interest per period. That is to be calculated because we are supposed to calculate the rate. Okay, the next one, N. N is equal to number of years. Number of years. That is equal to 2. K is equal to number of times. All this we did yesterday on the previous class. Compounding. Number of times compounding. That is equal to, it's already given in the problem, 2 per annum. Yeah, because it says that after 2 years. Compounding is after 2 years. And the last one, A, is equal to maturity value, which is equal to rupees 12,625. 12,625. Now, please tell me what is the, okay, that we'll do later on. So now we'll substitute the formula. This I will highlight it. So now we'll substitute the formula. P is equal to 10,000 1 plus R is we have to calculate is equal to 2 into 2. That is 2 into 2 is the power. 12,625. So I'm just simplifying this. So I'm simplifying this. So, comma, 1 plus R. 1 plus R. So 1 plus R, 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, which is equal to which is equal to, if you simplify all this, you'll get 1 point. Somebody help me in calculation, please. I request somebody to help me in the
1.26.
Yeah, 1.2625.
R
So
equals
see here, we can put it like this. On extracting, I'll put it like this. On extracting square root twice, that is 1 plus R is equal to how much? On extracting square root twice, 1 plus R is equal to what?
Around 1.06.
So one doubt.
0.0.
Yeah, please tell me, please ask me.
So shouldn't it be 1 plus R by 2? Because in the beginning it says
No.
half
See,
the
we are see, that is what I use the word, extracting square root twice.
No,
See, here I have put 2 into 2, Dakana, 4.
listen, I get that. What I'm asking is in the compound interest formula, you said the value of K is also matters while taking the rate, right?
Yes, I
So,
absolutely, I
like,
accept it. But what I'm doing is I'm extracting the square root twice.
okay, I'm just asking, should it be R by 2 or not?
No. It should be 1 plus R only.
Okay, cool.
So 1 plus. That is why I just wrote that word extracting. You understand? Hello?
Understood, sir.
Yeah. So somebody said 1.06. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So R is equal to what now?
2.06 per period.
2.06 or 0.06?
0.06, sir.
0.06 per period.
So R should be 0. Because 1 is there, Rapa. So you bring all this being means it should be 0.06. Somebody has some doubts. Who's that? Anybody has a doubt? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, somebody asked a doubt.
Sir, while we calculating compound interest, we divide rate by K, no, sir.
Okay.
In this case, we should not consider that. We should shouldn't we multiply having
Yeah,
the-
that's what. This is because we are here. Idea is to find out the maturity value.
Okay, sir.
Are you clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So or
This
now
R
generally
will be-
rate will be. Huh?
But this R is the percentage that will be giving for
Wait, man. I'm coming, man. I'm coming. I've not completed the problem. You wait. Okay, Balakrishnan.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sorry. Proceed. Sir.
As the rate we have to express in the, as the interest rate has to be given in the percentage, I call this as 6%. So 6% per period. Now, are you clear or not? Balakrishnan,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, okay.
you have to wait fully and complete the problem. Now, there is one more question you see. If the company wishes to amend the scheme by compounding interest every quarter, what will be the revised maturity value? So, I take it like this. If number of compounding is how much? 2 per annum or 4 per annum?
4 per annum, sir.
4 per annum. Why we are taking 4 per annum? Can you explain?
Every quarter, sir.
Every quarter. Excellent. Every quarter. That is revised maturity value will be equal to 10,000. Okay. 1 plus. Already you know the rate. 0.06.
Sir, we can't take 0.06, right?
Why?
0.06 is for half year.
I never said that rate will change.
Yes, sir, but that rate is per period when it's half yearly, no, sir.
Yes, sir.
No. See, they are just saying that only a compounding is being changed. Interest rate remains same.
Yes, sir, but that's 6% is not per annum, sir. Per annum, it'll be 12%, no, sir.
6% per period, man.
Yes, sir. So in
See, you're
that
not
case,
understanding. See the question. Wishes to amend the scheme by compounding interest every quarter. What will be the revised maturity value? So already you have found out R. You understood or not?
Sir, but like in
sir, we
fourth
found the
it will
value of
be
R by
implemented
K,
in
sir.
different way, no, sir. Like my point is like,
Wait.
like
So
it
what
will be
we
12%.
that's why I just wait. 1 plus 0.06, 2 into 4. Now tell me. Balakrishnan,
Yeah, 1 second, sir. 1 second.
have I answered your question now?
No, sir. My point was like it should be 12% per annum. So 12%
Yes, sir.
divided by 4.
4
Divided by
should
4
be
will be
3%
giving
per
you
period.
per period. Here per period will change, no, sir. Here, there and here it's different, right?
Yeah, 4% revised maturity value will change. I accept it, man. But no, what you try to say, you say, then how much interest should be here?
I'm thinking like it should be 12% per annum. So per period will be here quarterly. So it will be divided by 4. So 12 divided by 4, that is
3%, sir.
0.12 divided by 4, 0.03. I'm asking you, sir. I'm telling like
No, it should not be because. So no. They said that only your compounding is changed. But they never said that interest rate will change.
Yes,
Sir,
sir. Here also interest rate is not changing, sir. Like,
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
like
Interest rate doesn't change,
per
sir. It's
annum,
still
here
12%
also
per annum.
12%. There also 12%. But per period, it will change, no, sir. Like for 6 months, it is 0.06, and for 3 months, it will be something 0.03 only. Right? That way I'm asking.
Yeah, right. 0.03, right.
Yes.
Okay. So how much
Is
should
it,
be
sir?
this?
Like, confirm it, sir. Like more than once, you please.
No. I'm right. I understood. Yeah. So how much this
No, sir.
should
Like
be?
correct or like
Ray, it's correct, Ray.
okay.
Yeah, tell me how much is this?
So 12,667.7.
Anyway, I will check up this once more. Okay. Or there is some problem in the question. I'll
Yeah,
check up and
okay.
I'll clarify it in the next class.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Because my calculation is entirely different, but after you said what you're saying, I'm thinking that. So anyway, I'll clarify that and tell you. Okay, that's all. Okay, now, the next question. Ravi Teja,
Yes, sir.
can you read question number 7?
Yes, sir. A person opened an account on April 2020 with a deposit of rupees 80,000. The account paid 6% interest compounded quarterly. On October 1, 2020, he closed the account and added enough additional money to invest in a 6 months time deposit for rupees 1 lakh, earning 6% compounded monthly. First question, how much additional amount did the person invested on October 1? What was the maturity value of his deposit on April 1, 2021? How much total interest earned, given that 1 plus r whole to the power n into k is 1.030222500 for rate equals to 1.5%, n into k equals to 2, and
Good.
is 1.0307751 for rate equals to 0.5%, and n into k equals to 6.
Okay. Okay. Now, and you read NK is equal to 6. Now there are 3 questions. How much additional amount did a person invest in October 1st? So I'll start like this. Question number 1. Just I do the working, I'll explain and do the working. You have a doubt, kindly ask me. The initial investment or earned interest for April to June and July to September quarter, that is for 2 quarters. Clear or not? It is clear or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So, in this case, R is equal to 6 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. 1 by 2 percentage. 1 by 2 percentage. That is your, I'll just leave some gap here so that it will not, some people may not, yeah. So that is, what I'm trying to say here is, NK, that is compounding, is equal to 2, and the compounded amount is equal to, will be 80,000, which is given. Okay, apply the formula 1 plus 1 by 2% power of 2. Power of 2. So how much you get this? So how much you get this? How much do you get this? Or I'll just take this and put it here. Please tell me, how much do you get this? How much do you get this? R is equal to, that you have done it. So compounded amount will be 80,000, 1 plus 1 by 2%, power of 2. How much do you get this?
Sir, 82,418.
Yeah, who answered me this?
Sir, Jonathan Thorne, sir.
Tell me, what is the additional amount invested on 1st October?
Additional amount invested on
1 lakh
I'll put it
minus
in the next.
82,418.
Exactly. So the additional amount invested on 1st October will be equal to rupees 1 lakh minus rupees 82,418. How much do you get this?
$17,582, sir.
Yeah, how much do you get this?
17,582.
Yeah, 17,000. $17,582. Are you clear? Can I go to the next point? Next question.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt on this? Any question? Any doubt on this?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the second question, Ravi? What was the maturity value of his time deposit on April 1, 2018? So, the second question, Balakrishnan.
Yes, sir.
Balakrishnan, புரிஞ்சதா?
புரிஞ்சுது சார். எஸ் சார்.
உன்னை கன்வின்ஸ் பண்றதுதான் கஷ்டம்.
சார் நான் என்ன சார்?
இல்லடா, உன்னை என்னன்னா உன்னை திருப்தியே படுத்த முடியாது. ஜென்ரலா கன்வின்ஸே ஆக மாட்டேன் நீ அவ்வளவு ஈஸியா. அதுக்காக தான் கேட்டேன். இல்ல, குட். ஐ அப்ரிஷியேட் இட். பட் கோபப்படல, ஜாலியா தான் சொல்றேன். பாலகிருஷ்ணன், டோன்ட் மிஸ்டேக் மீ.
இல்ல சார். ஓகே சார். ஐ அண்டர்ஸ்டுட் சார். Proceed, sir.
Yeah. The time deposit has earned interest compounded monthly for 2 quarters. So that means here R is equal to 6 by 12 is equal to of percentage. That is, NK is equal to, the compounding period is 6, whereas P is equal to 1 lakh. Okay, therefore I can say that the required maturity value is equal to P 1 or NK. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, NK. So that is equal to, the NK is the power. Okay. 1 lakh into 1 plus of percentage. Okay. The whole power of 6. So that is equal to, yeah, give me what is the amount you get?
Sir, 1,03,037.75.
Because already everything is given in the problem that 1 plus R and K is 1 lakh. Everything is given. Straight away you have to take and apply. That's all. So it should be, roughly, my calculation says that 1 lakh 3,038. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I'll answer. Now, are you clear with the second one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We'll
Yes,
move on
sir.
to the third one. The third question says that how much interest, how much total interest was earned? This is very simple. Total first deposit 82418 plus second deposit will be 1 lakh sorry 1 lakh is equal to what? How much? Now tell me. Two deposits are there. First deposit 82418 minus 80,000. Second deposit 1 lakh 3,038 minus 1 lakh is equal to how much? How much do you get?
5,456, sir.
Yeah. That's all. Now, are you clear with this problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I'm going to explain the next concept. How many of you have heard this word in your mathematics? Effective rate of interest. How many of you have heard about this? Effective rate of interest. How many of you heard about this? Effective rate of interest, we also call it, it's an actual equivalent annual rate. Anybody else? Hey, Ari, you should have studied in your mathematics. What is effective annual interest rate or effective rate of interest?
Sir, is
No,
it something
please
like for
answer.
1 year? 1 year, what is the interest you will be getting? The same amount is invested. Is it something like this, sir?
No, very simple. Very simple. I'll just type it in the chat. I'll just type it in the chat. I just started typing. And I'll just call it as ERI, which is I cannot type fully. ERI at which an investment grows in value interest is credited more often than once a year. Yeah, now see, this is called effective rate of interest. Effective rate of interest at which investment grows in value when interest is credited more often than once a year. Are you clear now? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So what is the formula? Effective rate of interest is equal to 1 plus I by N.
I by n whole power n minus 1.
In I by N or N can be also called as K. Okay. In some, if you refer some Google or something, it will be K. Don't raise the doubt. N is also called as K. Times in a year. Are you clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So don't, yeah, minus 1. Minus 1. Where I stands for the rate of interest, N or K stands for the number of compounding periods per year. So this is called effective rate of interest. Yeah. Balakrishna, you read the problem now? No, right. You read problem number 8.
Yes, sir. The Bank of Delhi pays 8% interest compounded quarterly on its money market account. The managers of Bank of
Money
Gurgaon,
market account is a normal account. Okay, nothing to worry about that. Yeah.
the managers of Bank of Gurgaon wants its money market account to equal Bank of Delhi's effective annual rate, but interest is to be compounded on monthly basis. What nominal or quoted or ARR rate must the Bank of Gurgaon set? Take
You know what is the ARR? ARR is an accounting rate of return, or we can also call it as an average rate of return. Yeah. Or actual rate of return. Yeah, tell me. That's all?
Yeah, that's all, sir.
Yeah. So we'll go for this problem. So I put it like this. Effective rate of interest. Okay. So here we put it like this. Question number. Okay. So we call it as Bank of Delhi's effective annual rate effective annual rate. என்னதுமா காஃபி சரி கொடுக்கும். Okay, compounding இங்க போடலையா? Compounding is equal to, yeah, now we'll substitute the formula here where E is equal to, write the formula. We'll substitute 1 plus 0.08, okay, whole divided by 4 minus 1. Somebody tell me how much do you get this? How much do you get this?
Power 4 also should be, no, sir.
Huh?
Power 4.
What? Oh, yeah. Sorry. Power 4, yeah. Power 4 minus 1. Balakrishnan, what we should do, Balakrishnan, that power is not working for me. What we should do?
But it is formula, it is working there. Shift and I will press 6. So that is the power, like arrow up
Okay,
one.
because I'm trying, it's not working for me. That's what I just thought there's any other shortcut method to do that.
No, sir, I will do by shift and 6. Maybe your keyboard layout, something you need to change.
Okay. Okay, I'll just try that, Balakrishnan, today.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah, so how much do you get this? Yeah, how much do you get this? Yeah, somebody calculate and tell me. You become tired.
Sir, 0.08.
0.0824.
Yeah, you can't, it's a rate. So we put it in the percentage, right?
8.24%.
Yes, exactly. So you have the same effective annual rate under monthly compounding sorry. To have the same effective annual rate under monthly compounding, the computation will be as under. Okay, so we'll apply the same formula. 1 plus 1 by, how much do you take? Under monthly, we'll take 12. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, 12.
And the whole power 12. Am I right? Hello?
Sir, wait, sir. Like your screen is a bit lagging for me.
Minus 1. Yeah. Yeah, somebody can give me the calculation of this. Yeah, which is equal to already have calculated. So they asked you to take the value as 0.0824. Yeah, tell me now. So 1 plus 1 divided by 12 power of 12 is equal to, already the rate is given, 1.0824 is equal to 1.0824. Yeah. Next, 1 plus 1 by 12 is equal to 1.0824 1 by 12, which is given, is equal to, the rate is already given in the problem. You can see 1.00662. Therefore, so 1 by 12 is equal to 0.00662, sorry, 0.00662. I don't know what is not working. 0.00662 is equal to, sorry, it is not 1, it is I. By mistake, I have done it. So it is equal to, I is equal to how much? Please tell me. It is interest rate. Interest rate is how much? How much?
Sir, 1.324%.
1.94.
7. It's 7.94.
Yes,
Am
sir.
I right? Now tell
Yes, sir.
me, what is the effect? What is the effective annual rate of both the banks? This is the question for you. You have to take close with this. And Balakrishnan,
Yes, sir.
send me the today's attendance. From tomorrow onwards, I'll take the attendance. The last 10 minutes, you remind me every day.
Okay, sir. I will remind you, sir. Sir, but now I can't take, sir. Like, Rishita only. I will inform.
Rishita, she says some reason. Some phone not
Last 10
working or
minutes,
some.
I will remind you, sir.
Tanvi, can you take the attendance and send me, Tanvi?
Sir, no issue, sir. I'll send you through mail, sir.
Yeah, you send me through mail. Good. Yeah, quickly tell me, what is your effective interest rate? Or what is the effective annual rate of both banks is how much? The question is for you. Is how much?
So sorry to interrupt, but our next class has started. So
Okay. About till what time? It's okay. So you, so I'll just. Can you give me half a minute? Can you give me half a minute to complete
Yes,
this?
sir, no issue, no issue.
So
Yes.
actually, the effective interest rate should be 8.2%. That is, but the quoted rates are different. But the quoted rates are different. Bracket 8% and 7.94% due to difference in compounding. It's clear? Hello, it's clear? Hello, it's clear or not?
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, well?
Okay, sir.
Okay then. Okay then. Shall we close this class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So bye-bye. See you on Monday. Sorry for the delay. Sorry for the delay. That's what, if somebody doesn't stop me, I'll keep going like this. That's what. Okay, bye-bye. See you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.